In today's video, we're going to look at RNS from Argo blockchain. We're also going to have a look at some price action. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you're all well. Today's video is on Argo blockchain. We're just going to get straight into it. First of all, I just want to start it off by saying we have our AGM. As you can see here, I have joined the annual general meeting invite that has been sent out, and it is going to be on the 29th of June 2022. So excited for that. Looking forward to hearing what Peter Wall has to say, especially now that we have our new facility up and running. Now, this is the first month that we have the new facility up and running. A lot of expectations of how great our facility is going to be. Again, me and what I've always said on the channel is to manage expectations. It wasn't just the construction of the site that we needed to perhaps allow for a delay or a hiccup. It was also the starting, the first month of operation. And nothing is ever going to be just smooth. And I think this has probably been, and I don't want to just give excuses because I'm sure we'll hear more from Peter Wall in the video that comes out today. I'm doing this first thing in the morning. On the back of the news, this is currently about 10 to 9 a.m. in the morning, UK time. Argo blockchain mines fewer Bitcoin in May as it brings new Texas facility online as a result of the high temperatures in Texas leading to the increased energy demand and higher electricity prices. The company said it has responded by voluntarily curtailing mining operations and reducing its energy use. Argo blockchain said it mined 124 Bitcoin or equivalents in May compared to 166, so that is considerably less. And whatever way you want to look at it, it is disappointing to see that. They said it's down to various factors, including unplanned downtime as it brings a new Helios mining facility in Texas online ahead of a schedule, and the Bitcoin network experienced an increase in difficulty. Hiccups in getting it up and running. So that's what I was saying. I always have said that over the last 6-7 months, allow for a delay, allow for an issue, something. And to be fair, the general process has been reasonably hiccup free. So take the good with the bad here. Mining revenue 3.1 million instead of 5.5 million in April based on the daily foreign exchange rates and cryptocurrency prices during the month. Now we have seen a bit of a change in Bitcoin to the upside, which has been more positive, but still not great. 62% instead of 75%. And even that, we were saying that it sort of dipped from about in the mid 80s that we were at. Quite a significant drop when you look at it that way. The increase in difficulty of the Bitcoin network led to fewer Bitcoin mined, while the company's hash rate of the clean energy powered TerraPool produced substantially lower Bitcoin than in previous months, which was primarily due to the short-term probabilistic outcomes and has led to it to explore all options to optimize its hash rate across alternative pools. So what I'm reading from this, and correct me if I'm wrong, please leave down some sort of comments down below. I like to get a discussion going here, but what that means to me is that what they had planned and what they thought would work isn't quite working as well. Now it is unprecedented heat that's out there, but I mean Texas is a warm place. We were told about the coolant that's being used in. Not only is it more keeps everything cool, it's more efficient, and it should result in better mining and all this. I'm not getting that there. By the end of May, Argo's hash rate capacity has been increased by 300. Team expected minor issues and downtime as we bought systems online, but we completed 25% of the machine swap of cores, scientific, and installed an additional 300 pegahash. Increasing our total hash rate to 1.9. It's not panic stations, I would be honest. Bit disappointed, I can understand, but it's just that we're looking to explore different options, which is okay. That's okay. We can always change and always evolve and try and learn to streamline things better. So I am okay with that as a company thing, but it's just a wee bit concerning. But I'm going to give it all a benefit of a doubt and trust that the guys will get this in order. So on the LSE ARB ticker symbol, we can see the news has not been taken too good as you would expect. Oh look, it's just jumped to 7% down. Quite a drop, but look, we are pretty much on the 5-day basis, we're 1% down. It's been very, very choppy. On the monthly basis, we are down about 11%, but we are up significantly since the lows of about nearly 8% up. The 6 months has just been a downward turn, like the general trend of the market, unfortunately, guys. I see Bitcoin going down, I see Argo going down, and I see the general market going down. So we're timing our buys, we're riding out the long-term holes here, and there's no problem with doing that. There is a strategy always in place, and we are in control. 56% down on the 6 months, and that is the ARBK ticker symbol. If we look at the charts for ARBK, we can see here that our buy symbols have come in, but we're still looking quite flat. I'd like this to get above the 20-day moving average, but I would anticipate today that this will pull back as ARB has done. So as you can see, we drew this sort of falling wedge. We hope to get out of it, but a sell symbol's come in on the back of this drop of nearly 7% today. So it looks to be going down. All the indicators are saying it's looking quite flat. And we can see Bitcoin has had a bit of a jump. You know, we're back down to below 30,000 again. It's flat. It's a 2024 play for me. That's where I see Bitcoin the next big movement really happening in and around that. So buckle up, with about a year left. Anyone that's interested in crypto, again, I'm saying, you know, don't get too excited with it. It's not much is really going to happen. Still, Bitcoin is the best in class for me. Argo blockchain is still the choice for me, and I might do a refresh video in why we're invested in Argo blockchain, because I think we've kind of lost a bit of focus in the group chats. And you can see in the Discord, we're chatting about it today, this morning, put in the link about the mining. I put just the thinking this. Writers came back, says, who would have thought it would be warm in Texas? Well, exactly. It is my slight concern. It was kind of like blaming the rain for getting wet. So we'll see what happens there. If you're interested in learning how to trade and maximize these opportunities, because this is maybe going to fall down. You don't want to be just throwing all your money in. You don't want to go A and B. I've got nothing left. You want to make sure that you're timing your buys, structuring your buys, taking profits when possible. This is the key thing for you, the trading course. Everyone is giving me 100% feedback so far, and that's why we're offering the money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied and you've taken nothing from the course, you get a full refund. So you've really nothing to lose here. Everyone chatting about it, loving it. Signed up a few days ago, absolutely loving the indicators. All the indicators are free. Loving the course. The course is awesome. So glad I found it. Couldn't agree more. Joined a few days ago. It's opened my eyes a fair bit. Thanks for the course. Indicators opened the position in charge point last week. Currently up 15%. Learned how to set a stop loss. So grateful for this course. So join us, guys. Really would like to see you all there. And I would check out this video. Don't forget, don't lose focus what Bitcoin's all about. This video will tell you all about Bitcoin, when the next halving is going to come, and why I'm super bullish still on Bitcoin. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. Peace.